strength was 37 years ago. That was Hurricane Gilbert back in 1988. Before that, 37 years prior, was Hurricane Charlie, also a Cat 3, a major hurricane, and now this could be a Cat 5 or a strong 4 before making landfall on Tuesday. Late Monday to early Tuesday. Again, that's when that center crosses, but we're going to have the impacts going downhill throughout tonight, but all day long on your Monday. So the first landfall expected here in Jamaica, second landfall in Cuba about probably 12 hours later, third landfall most likely southeastern Bahamas, but Turks and Caicos, you're going to take it on the chin with that right front quadrant coming through with a rise in the ocean as well. So what's keeping this system off the U.S. is this trough and storms coming across the Gulf Coast states. Lynette was just tracking the severe weather. That's going to help also pick up Melissa and move it faster. Went from 5 miles per hour down to 3. So it's sitting there spinning, and the eye is reorganizing, so expect further strengthening, maybe a Cat 5 in the next advisory coming up at 2 o'clock local time, but that will help pull it away from the U.S., but it's not going to pull it away from these islands here. We're going to see the wind slowly increase and spread throughout the entire country of Jamaica, and this is going to happen overnight and then really get stronger throughout the day. Really from the west end and the Grill all the way to the east end of the island, everyone is going to be under these tropical storm force winds, the hurricane force winds, hopefully even tighter knit. I think maybe they might kind of strafe Montego Bay, maybe some gust on towards Negril. But Kingston, you're going to have that push of the waters and storm surge. And if you flew into Kingston, you know the airport's just sticking out there on the spit of island. And then you have the land and bay where Kingston sits. That water is going to be pushed into there. So widespread storm surge, maybe 15 feet or more. Then it finally pulls off Tuesday night. The sun is setting, and we're starting to begin the cleanup here. And then as we head on towards midnight on Wednesday, making another landfall here in Cuba, and also still pushing across the southeastern Bahamas. Now look at the forecasted model output of the radar. Two things I want to notice is how tightly packed it is, but also look at the expanse of the outer rain bands. Look how they continue to start to push on towards Haiti, even though they're enveloping Jamaica as we head throughout daybreak on your Monday. But look at this band, this far outer band, still slash Haiti and parts of the DR here, continues to bring you light.